Okay guys, welcome back to the Kings of Angling Fishing channel. It's Will
and Miles,
and today we're going to be doing a 1v1 fishing challenge,
but it's live bait.
versus artificial lures. I will be having artificial lures. That's stuff like rattle traps, crankbaits, spinner baits, and a bunch of other soft plastics.
I'll be having live bait, and I'm going to be going to Bass Pro to get some night crawlers to fish with.
Let's get to fishing.
We'll catch you on the water.
We made it to Bass Pro. Let's go get some worms. Okay guys, we're in Bass Pro and the worms are in the very back, so we gotta go find those. Let's go get them.
Okay guys, because I'm using live bait, I'm going to come pick out my worms. So they're right here. Let's open this puppy up.
Do you want night crawlers or red worms?
Oh, it stinks in there. I feel like night crawlers would be good. I'm going to do night crawlers.
Okay.
Okay guys, we got the night crawlers. Let's head to fishing. Okay guys, timer started, hour and a half on the clock. Let's get to fishing. Okay guys, we're pulling up to the spot right now, and I'm pretty confident about the wind today. I think we're probably gonna catch a lot of bluegill, but I'm not working. Oh, there you go. Well guys, I'm pretty confident about the wind today. We're running the Signature Series spinner reel. We're using night crawlers. There we go. Well, I have just both my rods out sitting. No bites yet, guys. But I'm pretty positive we'll get one. So I still have 16 more worms left. I have 18 worms in the bag. Oh. Yeah, boys. Yep. Get him in here. Yes! We got one, guys. Woo. Yeah. Released them back in the water. Well, does it count if I touched it but it popped off? Okay guys, we're gonna put a brand new worm on this bad boy. These are the night crawlers right here. Oh, look at that bad boy. That is looking juicy.
We just got to our spot over here. And just a second ago, I saw some bait fish pop up. So I think the bass might be feeding over here. I can see them right now. See the bait fish? And I think there might be a group of bass following them. So let's see if we can catch them.
Oh, dude, I just got bit. No way. Dude. Already bit.
Now we're sitting in a decent spot now. Could be better. Here, are we on? No. Okay, I thought we got a bite. Might have just been seaweed. Oh, we're getting pulled in the shore again, boys. It's a little, I think it's a XPS maybe, XPS craw. It's a Strike King. I don't know for sure what it is, but that's that out there. It's just
Oh. I think that one just got bit, so. Fish on, baby! Get it. Yeah! 2-0. Thank you for the bite. That is a nice bass right there. Thank you, buddy. Okay, we gotta put another worm on this one, and we'll get back to fishing, boys. Oh, that's a monster. Oh my gosh. Holy bacon. Hopes of a fish. takes 5 little seconds to just click that subscribe button. Took me worm, I think. Yep, indeed he did. Dun, dun, dun. That is indeed the money spot. Yep. I got one. Oh my god, we have one right away. Eek. Money. Holy money. Got one. Got one. Got a bluegill! Woo, nice. Look at that bluegill. Nice, we'll put him back in the water. Ooh, dude, Will, watch me catch a fish on this cast.
You are?
I said watch me. Oh, wait, never mind.
Have you caught a fish yet? Or what's
Got one. Oh, this is my 4th.
Cheers, you need to buy an anchor for this thing.
Yeah, I know.
Alright. We went pretty far away from the shore so that we drift into it again. Come on. Here, fish, 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 fish. Alright, we're right up on the shore here. Just real quickly, I'm going to see if we can cast our craw. It's like kneeling down because we have to move pretty quick here. Yep, on the craw, No! Oh my gosh, did you guys see that? Dude, yeah, can we put a replay on there? Yeah, okay, run that replay. Dude, I literally had him, man, and he bit it as soon as I cast it. We're casting right back there quickly, bruh. Same spot, man, there seem to be a bunch of bass over there. Man, that's fishing for you right there. Yeah, guys, my literal favorite lure has not caught anything yet. I've literally gone out with my rod trap before and caught like 10 bass. Yo, we on. Yes! With the craw. Let's go, boys. Let's freaking go, boys. Gotta catch another one, dude. This is honestly a decent bass. He's pretty fat. Looks like he's eating a bunch. Healthy bass, but let's release him. Oh, let's go.
Just had a bite. Oh. No!
Again?
Yeah, again.
Dude, why is it?
Got one.
Oh my gosh, again? Is that 5?
Yeah. It's a bass this time.
Yeah, guys, my literal favorite lure.
Ooh, got a nice bass, guys. Ooh, nice. We got worms on both of the lures, or on both of the rods. And we're gonna cast this one in there. And then put this one out where he belongs. Put this one in the prime spot where we caught like all of our bass. Money. Money in my pocket. Money in my pocket, boys. No, I just had a bite, bro. Hey guys, we currently have about 39 minutes left. I know that's very specific, so I could just say 40. No! Yep, no, bro. No, you cannot. No. No.
Come here, boy. Oh, sorry. I just cast it. We're gonna go back to the chest trap, because why not? Okay, hi. Dude, you're getting bite after bite over there. Golly. Yep. No! Boys. Dude, this craw is frying. I can't even explain. I'm gonna have to explain to my grandkids how good this craw was. Alright, let's get in there. Alright, well. Yeah, I called it. First cast. First cast. First cast. One hit wonder. No! Ah, he just spiked me. Brochacho, chill out. Let's go, boys. I mean, it's not a bad one. He's not terrible. We'll keep casting over here, see if we can catch something else. But yeah. Ooh, let's go. Let's go. Let's get back to fishing. Hopefully we can go and catch another one. Let's go. Halfway there. Oh, we got one. We got one. No, I didn't hook set it. No, come on. I literally called it. Yeah, it's just a bluegill. Oh, it's a nice one. Oh my, bluegill. Just look at that monster bluegill. Nice one. No, dang it. Got one. Another bluegill. Got a nice bluegill. It's time to put some worms on. No. Bro, come on. I lost my worm again. They keep letting go. All right, we're gonna start rehooking worms. Okay, guys, we're gonna go through the hooking worm session. Okay. Hi, y'all. We're gonna go back to that one spot we were at previously. Man, you're frying. Come on. Yeah. Get in the boat, get in the boat. Yes! Another one. Thank you for the catch, little guy. He's not a big one. He's a little bass. But, I mean, that's number 3 on the board. Let's go. There. See if we can swing him in there. Right, let's back up a bit. Slowly but surely, let's back up. So drifting quickly, let's see if we can get one. Dude, I just got a bite. Okay. Oh my gosh! There we go. Got one. Oh, he's a nice one. Oh, he's a bluegill. Bass, maybe? Bluegill. Guys, got another little bluegill. Guys, got a nice bluegill. Put him back in the water. Nice. Let's get back to fishing. Okay, I'm gonna cast in here. This is too tempting. Oh my fish. Oh my fish. We just had the most insane cast of our lives. Cast. Yeek. Oh, that's a good cast. No. Golly dang. Purchase it. Buy it. Purchase it. I hate this game. I hate this game.
They keep letting go of it. Is that timer? That is time, boys. Oh gosh. We'll catch you guys on the dock. Okay guys, that is going to conclude today's 1v1 fishing challenge. I went 8 to 3 using my live bait night crawlers. And yeah, props to you for using the classic baits and coming out with the victory. And Will, your artificial lures weren't as successful, but you still did really good. Okay, yeah, and make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the water.